Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is based on sketch using Opencv Python. To know more, watch the video till end.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Now let's jump to coding section.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Now let's save the file. After that we will run the file from CMD.
And on.
Now go to File folder and in address bar type CMD. Now type Python file name.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Like, subscribe and share my channel for more interesting video.